Alright, today I got some DeLoreans. You order these, I guess these are, you can get them out of vending machine in China. You can also order them. I also found the Nano Scene clock tower. But we're going to look at these little DeLorean vending machines pod things you can get. So looks like you got a little sticker. Looks like we got a little Einstein here. It has I think they have two different doors you can put on. Yeah, so it has two different doors. There's a door, so if you want it closed, you can put that door on. Or if you want it open, you can put this door. So here's the ones you can get. You get this one from the first movie. You get this one from the second movie. And this one from the third. So I don't have the one from the first one. Those were apparently sold out. So I have the second two there. And it looks like the sticker goes on this little plastic backing here. See if I can get it on there good. Not too bad. I'm not really good with the stickers. So it's supposed to be some kind of able to mount. Put it up there somehow. This thing, maybe. Not quite sure how this goes. Just shows a picture. It doesn't really have well, maybe this here. Be on there. Maybe something like that. Little Einstein there. Not quite sure what this piece is. So I mean, it's pretty well detailed. I mean, it's all plastic, but it still has some decent detail to it. If maybe it goes on there so the car can be off the ground a little bit. So what I do have a Hot Wheels one here. You can see it is a little bit smaller scale. I'm hoping it's going to be closer to HO scale. Let's get this other one open. Because I'm going to, maybe instead of this on my model, since it'll be a little smaller, maybe the other one will fit on the HO scale track. I don't know. So again, we have, looks like the sticker for skateboard and the license plate. Did this one have yeah, this one had the license plate, the sticker for the almanac. I'll worry about that later. it's skateboards in a little plastic tree there. You can see it does have the bottom there. So the wheels roll, that's good. Again, we have two different doors. You can have one open. You can go on the track. So there's a size difference. I'm hoping that since this one's smaller scale, that'll fit really good on HO track. Let's put the door closed on this one. Or does it not line up that good? Or am I just not doing it right? Maybe slides in. No, did it wrong again. There you go. The other one gets in a hole. This one kind of just slides in. Let's take this up to the HO track here in front of the train and see how well it fits on the track. Alright, so it's still doesn't fit on the track. So it's still bigger than HO, but it's a little smaller and probably look better with this train. So if we put it you'd probably use this track and kind of see how the rail width is there. You can see the. So this is the HO track. And this is the little track piece that it comes with. So it's still bigger than HO, which is kind of a bummer, but it's still a cool piece to have. Let's get the sticker on here. There, I did that one better than the other one. So this is the 64 scale Hot Wheels. So it's smaller than the 64 scale, but still not small enough for the HO scale. But the wheels do roll. I wonder if you can modify these a little bit, trim it down and push them in so it works on the HO maybe. Because they roll nice and and they're plastic, so it wouldn't be metal picking up stuff if you're actually pushing it with the train on a HO track. Get that stand there. Not sure there's someplace that wants you how to display it or something. I don't know. Either way, it is a cool piece. They have extra doors. And you get Einstein. And a hoverboard, Is there a sticker for? There is a sticker for that. Looks like there's a sticker for license plate. I don't have fingers small enough to do that. I'm going to use a blade or something. I didn't see what we put the sports almanac on. Might be able to just stick it on the seat or something, but I didn't see a little plastic tree piece to put it on. So I got these from AliExpress. Neat little pieces. You want to get your own, you can go there. I'm going to try to put a link so you can find it faster. And have yourself little plastic DeLoreans. Now, if they had these in a vending machine, I would definitely keep pulling until I had all three. And since I just got to order them in the capsules. So, hope you like this video.